What's up, people? Okay, we just started and someone is already on the door. I'll be back. Okay, back again. Let's see. Guess this will do. So we'll be continuing with the blocky again. Shall we wait for some people to join? Maybe one or two. That will also do. Shall we, shall we, shall we, shall we, shall we? Shall we, shall we, shall we? La 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 la. Authenticating. Give me a sec. Let me set up something. I hope this is the one. Hmm. Okay. Sheesh. Let's pull stuff back. Okay, so yesterday in the end we found that there are some directories which are hidden and they are not accessible. And why the hell you're not working, man? Did something messed up? Let's open it again. Not sure, there seems to be an internet connection problem. Okay, it's back. It seems it's taking time to render stuff. Okay, it's back. All messages. Okay, let's start. We have the endpoints. The one I found pretty funny one is this files. And there is include. And as we are working with the with this box, let's go back. Okay, still need to connect. Sudo open VPN. Connect. And if we go back, hi brother, whoever is watching. And let's see, block key. This is the one, right? So now here, new thing that I understood well while I was sleeping yesterday. So Java the Minecraft have something related to the Java, right? So that's the portion we didn't check even when we was performing some sort of like a FUF. So I thought that might be a problem, right? So if we check back in the extensions, let's add the extensions like dot java comma, I don't think we need the PHP, but let's include the PHP comma dot txt comma dot md comma, I think this much should do. And we can press enter, but not yet. We'll do it after performing cd clear paste enter. Now let's wait what sort of result we'll get this time. Is my voice too loud or something? If yes, please tell me in the comment or in the chat so I can like fix that. Or maybe I should remove this cover. Now I'm not sure how it sounds with this and without this. Oh, maybe this time we'll be able to pull some good stuff. But who knows? We have so much this time. Okay, we have the WordPress endpoint too. I think last time we filtered it out or something similar. I don't remember what we have done today. Let's check in the Obsidian. This must be holding. Okay, it's same command. There's nothing different. We just didn't look into this yesterday. But we'll will today. So let's wait for this one to finish. Till then, whoever is watching, hello sir. How you doing? Okay. Got a message. Okay. Now it's running good. This scan.php too might be good to check. Import.php. Man, there's so much stuff this time. Last time, I don't think there was this much. I don't know where this popping from. Maybe because of the extension that we have added, the .php. Now it's throwing like unwanted stuff with the size of 0, which I'm not expecting. But yes, it is throwing. What else is new here? User.php. I think we have already checked it yesterday. And the username we have already got. So let's add it here. I hope, yeah, we haven't added. And in this in here you can see it's already there. So this has to be something related to this. To add, we have found one user in the WP scan output with the name notch. Let's add it somewhere and see what we can do with this later. So we'll add the table and username, password, notch. Well, it can be different after some time, but not sure for how long it's gonna remain the same. But yeah, we have one of the username. Afterward it changes or not, it totally depends on that. So let's wait I hope it didn't broke. No, it didn't broke. Okay, it's still running. Gambari. Widgets. JQ. I think there must be some sort of command that can like show the full URL. Yeah, bro, keep going. Still a long way to go. I think I should have filtered these out, but this has different size every time. So seems have to do something about the size. And the size is also different. The words are also different. I don't know why. I guess next one is also going to be the same one, but I'm trying not to disable it because not sure if it pops something totally different, which might not work after some time or we might miss. So let's keep it going. Yep, we got the widgets. Let's see what else we'll get. There is some interesting stuff. Let's keep watching. Okay, it had added like one more job for the widgets. No, it's 14th job, and this is the type of stuff that I don't like, and it takes so much time to like work around and know the stuff, and it actually wastes like double the amount of time. Okay, so let's start working alongside with it. We have found some good endpoints. Let's start working with them. We'll add the result later in a hashtag. Okay, we have removed the hashtag in the FUF. Above. Okay, this time we got more with a WP admin. Again, the same stuff. But the good thing is that it's running like pretty impressively with like 700 requests per second. If you usually try this on some organization, do take the consent from them, cause this can cause a server break, and it can put like a massive load on the server. We are not like performing some sort of regular test even if in the recon, when we try to look for the directories and some other stuff, if you're doing some sort of bug bounty, you will see that they have defined some sort of rate limit which you should not surpass. And just because of the rate limit, when there is no rate limit on the requests, they usually get into problems like DDoS, which can cause a denial of service if server is not that capable to work around with the services or the system. Okay, let me see. It seems my voice is going way off charts. Let's see if I can fix it. Now I shouldn't go. Okay, this is a last scan. Let's see. Till then, we can check for the previous one, or from here. What we have is, let's see. We have a JavaScript here, which is under a redirection. We have a license.txt, which we don't need. Plugins. Plugins we have, but we also know that there is this theme. And description, it says some stuff. Found by known location, aggressive detection, but its status is 500, so we won't be able to access that. And we have the another one, which is 2017, another 500, and 2015. That's another 500, so we won't be able to access these. Let's see what we can do around them. We'll check that later. I hope the scan is finished. Yep, the scan is finished. Let's copy this, paste it where? Paste it here. There we go. And we'll fix this for the good format. Let's start removing the stuff. The plugins, we already have it. The wiki, remove it. WP admin, this has been added, so we can remove it. JavaScript, this was an action. And jQuery, removed. Plugins, removed. We don't need these. Oh, I see. It's a part of the plugin. Started queue job. So it's the part of plugins. We can't remove these. Added the job. We can remove this. Started the queue job. We can remove these and started a queue job. Remove this. Added new job. Remove this. Addition can be removed. Started. Remove this. Added new job. 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 Remove this. we have to keep that. There are quite many jobs added. This was garbage, including these two till here. Enter widgets. Okay, it's added, so we'll remove this till here, and this one will go away too. This will stay, and this has started working on the user. And this one is empty. Okay, so this is a new list. Do we see anything related to the Java or something, or we have to check all one by one? Seems we have to check all of these one by one. So let's clear this out, perform the curl block key. We can remove this. PHP, let's see the JavaScript, what it has. Yeah, if there is any sort of redirection, we'll perform -l so it can perform it on our behalf. PHP admin. Let's see. Okay, so we have the PHP admin page accessible. First, we have PHP admin page accessible. It says 200 or what? Okay, it's 200. Nice. So we don't have to check that. We have plugin accessible, but I don't know if it's going to show the list. Let's see. There's something interesting that we can use. This is the extension. So let's start adding stuff here so we can check everything in one go. Plugin is here. Let's copy this, enter, paste. Shit. Let's copy all this together, paste. Now we'll add a wiki here, WP admin here. What else includes? I don't think we need that. XML, not sure, this might we need. Let's see what else. Okay, in plugins we have the, okay, it's, I guess we're gonna need the plugins. This has some endpoints in there. Oh shit. So let's over here, let's include plugins. And the jQuery. Let's remove everything. We'll pick that later if we don't get anything. Do not load tab until selected. Ignore duplicate URLs. We don't want to preserve the input, so let's see. And where did it found the duplicate? Yeah, the plugins is a duplicate. Holy moly. Okay, let's check the jQuery first. Nothing here. Okay, the post request only works. WP admin. Okay, we have the login here. We also have the WordPress login page accessible. Let's fix this. WordPress, and the endpoint is what WP-admin. And now the next, in the wiki, under construction, a thing to check. The new core plugin will store your playtime and other information in our database. So you can see your stats. Please check back later. Okay, they have something in wiki. Let's capture that. We'll eventually be looking at the plugin, but this what intrigues me in the core plugin. On the who's messaging me around this? Okay, on the wiki page, it says that new core plugin will store data in database which is fascinating. So fourth point, let's check the plugins. Okay, let's see. And in the plugin we have found two files which are .jar files. Let's download them and see what they hold. To do this, we'll use wget. Sh. I'll copy the link, link address, clear everything out, wget, paste, enter. Wget, copy this, paste, enter. This one is pretty big one, or like decent enough. Less. And now both are on our local system. Let's read them what they have. clear. So whoever is watching, guys, like I see that there are 3 people watching, so I want to ask, is there any like good tool to read the Java file here? I don't remember if there is any. Kali tool to read Java file dot jar files JDGUI. Okay, then we are going to use this. Let's read them using tool JDGUI. Okay, so let's perform JD-GUI. First, let's see the grief prevention. I hope this is visible enough for you guys, the font size, or should I increase it? I hope. Yeah, there is a preference. And can we make it, let's see, 16? Okay. It didn't reflect. Okay, didn't reflect. Let's check into the info. Empty. Okay, there are many files. Let's see if we can perform the search. What is this? Search string. Let's see. User. Nope. Password. Anywhere. Okay. Method construct fields. Okay, there is something getting called here with a data store, string URL, string username, string password. Through exception, this URL, but where is it coming from? Package me. There's a grief prevention, the package. Import connection. SQL exception. It's importing some Word files. Public data store extends data store. Okay. We are out here somewhere. Let's see what it's. Okay, that's importing hell of data. Does this contain anything that we can use? Protected final, hash maps. Does this have the word wrap? Nope. And sorry for the flashbang. Okay, this is a new tool, Apropos. Let's see what that is. Apropos. Okay, what do we have? What was the file name here? That this Pavona run while. Okay, I am not in the place. Now if I do shit, still doing the same. What is this tool for, bro? -h. What does it do? Keywords debugger. A long option to show mandatory option correspond short options. Okay, let's see if it can read the file. If I'll provide it like this, nothing appropriate. What about this one? Nothing appropriate. Like, what's the use of this tool? Let's see. Tools in Kali. Command Linux search the manual page name and description. Okay, so it's is it similar to the like TLDR that I use? So if I wanna like something related to the it's of no use in your case right now. Okay, got it. It helps the user when they don't remember the exact command, but know a few keywords related to the command that define its use or functionality. Got it. Thanks for the explanation. It might came handy. So let's try pull this command with fuff. Okay. Now how should I read this fully? We have the command debug wildcard a long do not trim output to the terminal width. I require all keyword match. So there is one command with the fuff, and if I do -a, what will it pull? Okay, and if I do this, still nothing. So is it for like searching the tool that is already there, or is it for like performing some sort of action, or like fetching the command itself? Let's see what the -l does. It does nothing. -s, nothing. Give a short usage message. Okay, let's see how to use this. I'm not trying to look for file system path keyword. Okay, I'll look into this tool later. Where should I put it? Where should I put it to look into? Usage notes. Or tools to look into. Let's keep it here. We'll check that later. and we are looking into this. Sorry for the distraction. It is protected initialization. Okay, where we are looking if there is any sort of connection here. Global player, it's like writing the data, storing data, but where is it sending this data? There are some bit.ly links. There are some bad words. Soft mute, message, global player data. Customizable message load. Okay, whoever is this is going wild here. Seems to be pretty casual at that time. Failed to read the ban words. Okay, so these are the ban words. Understandable. So bro is doing right thing. Let's check end of the file if they're doing something there, like sending it, directing it somewhere. Grave prevention flag. Okay, I didn't see anything like much here. Log exception events command. Okay, I don't want to check this. Claim API data. There was another file, right? What was the file name? Let's split it. Is this file mentioned here in somewhere? If I'll search for this, okay, it's not declared anywhere. No problem. Let's check this file then. What this file has to offer. Infestation file, nothing to okay. So we wasted our time on the previous file. We got some good stuff in here. Let's close this, the look into one. Okay. Out of both files, found interesting stuff. In the below CKY core dot class, sorry, core dot jar. File. Okay, it's not a sh, it's a jar, or it's Java. If I do class, okay, it's Java. Let's wipe some space out. And in here we have got the password of MySQL. It's a MySQL, right? Or it's a SQL. Okay, now we have 2 users and 1 password. Okay, we'll put it question mark here. Let's copy this, paste it here. But one, we still don't know the password. The second one is root, and this is the password. Now it says to do get username, welcome to the Blowcraft. Okay. Now there's 2 possibilities over here. The first one is we can try this on SSH, and the second one is if you remember, and up here we have found this phpMyAdmin, so we can try this over there. So what do you guys suggest we should do? It's in the comment or the chat. I shouldn't be the only one who is solving this. Let's get some participation. Shoot, brother. Where should we check? On SSH or on where? phpMyAdmin. Waiting. Okay, someone is on door. By the time I'll be back, please drop something in the chat so I can progress on that. I don't want to be the only person who is performing everything. Let's get some participation in. Okay, I am back. So, where do you think I should try this? Like, we are already 1 hour in, and I don't wanna delay it anymore. Please, someone, go ahead and say it. In the phpMyAdmin or on the SSH? It seems I'm still alone here. Okay, let's see. We'll try it on phpMyAdmin first. phpMyAdmin. Then we'll try same thing on SSH2 and see if that works. Okay, let's try these credentials on PHP my admin first, and later we'll try it on why we have a skill credential. Should try the database maybe, but yeah, that's the point. We don't have any database. If you see here, we have Minecraft, and if you check on Google, let's see if it's here. I have added it, and the probability is I might have not there. So if you see this is a Minecraft server default kind of port, and other than that we don't have any sort of database linking or something. There's a Sophos, which is a firewall, and it is closed and it's on another port. So the only options we have, the port 80 over here, we only see that we have this phpMyAdmin here, and the other thing is we have the port 22, which is an SSH, and I totally forgot about the the FTP. I think we can try this over here too. So what do you suggest? Should we try that? Like, I'm pretty sure we will get somewhere, and probably it will be there. So I just want some participation where we can see like everyone is participating, and I'm not the only one who is running around in the wild. You got my point, right? We'll try on FTP and SSH. And that's the very reason why we're not trying it on the database. And if you're talking about the database, this phpMyAdmin is a database here. Okay, let's try root here, password here, go. And beautiful, we are in. I hope it's visible enough. And we tried it on phpMyAdmin, and we logged in successfully. And here's the proof. But still, out of curiosity, fix the spelling. We'll also try the same credentials over the FTP. Okay. And the SSH. Like there's always a possibility to get some another connections. It's not always that you'll get like direct access like this. So you have to look around too. Let's see if it's working with the SSH root @ okay, where's the IP address? This IP, paste, enter, and yes, the password, this, enter, didn't work. Let's try the other user which we have found, and notch, enter, paste, enter, and there we go. And we have also got another successful login in SSH2. Successful login in SSH. And SSH and FTP. If it worked here, it should work on FTP too. So let's see if we do FTP over this IP address, paste, enter, we will give it the, I think if the root didn't work, so it should work, right? Let's give the notch as an user, this as a password, and there we go. We are logged in as notch 2. So these are seems to be the default credentials. Let's put a split here, which can be used like for FTP and for SSH. Let's clear this, or exit, clear, and collapse this, ls cat user.txt. We got the flag. And with this we got the another flag, not another flag, we got the user.txt file flag. Any doubt, guys? Now we can eliminate this. Okay, let's also check on the what? PHP myadmin. Oh yeah, other than this, there is another way to get the same kind of stuff, and that is we can perform netcat. If I hope it will work, but no, for that we need yeah, we need the, okay, yes, we will be getting it here. Now that we have the PHP myadmin access, let's try utilizing that to get the RCE. First we'll check the users index column. Do we have anything? Inside column, new user, user email, indexes. Inside this, user login key, WP user, and there we go. And here we have got the user pass for this user, Notch, in here on the phpMyAdmin. Let's remove this. We'll put it a bit bolder. In phpMyAdmin, this is a query. Okay, let's type the query we can use to pull user data. The user password, I guess we can change that too. Okay, get a reverse shell from phpMyAdmin. Yes, we can get that, I'm pretty sure. Not from phpMyAdmin, or maybe we can get it from phpMyAdmin too, but I guess that's gonna be a long take. We have to use something related to the SQL to perform the same. Let's see, we'll check that if we can perform that. But let's try this approach first. So what I am thinking is, if we can change the user pass here with the one we want to add, and using that user pass, we can try login on where the what the hell, on the WordPress. If you see, the database is linked to the WordPress, right? So we can try accessing the WordPress, -admin, and if we get in there, we might be able to perform RC from there. So let's check that. The username, which we can change or try crack. Got it? So let's see if we can perform the both. The table that contain the username and password, the database. Let's copy this, paste it here. First, let's try crack it. Then we can also try change it. Let's copy from here the password. And we can put it here. Now let's try the tool called hashcat hyphen identi by this string. Okay, let's remove that. Auto detecting. Okay, that's weird. No model matches the structure of input hash. Nope. Nope. Okay, let's see if we can check same on hashcat. At least we need to know like what the salt is or something. Magic. It's not able to perform the magic. phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. SQL encryption. Let's see if it says anything. The observation, this is very dangerous. I urge you to do not do this. Yeah. Create user and stuff. SQL use which encryption? But this one doesn't look like MD5 hash. Is it PHP pass? PHP pass. I don't know if it like -m400 will work. Let me check. Crack it using the hashcat and see if the one you're saying, okay, it's not here. We can try this command. If it finds something, it's gonna perform that, right? So we can copy this whole stuff, paste it here, copy this, paste it and enter, and it doesn't match any value. And for the same, if I do this echo double quote this and the method or the model you have provided. Okay, no, we have to put it into the file hashes, and if I perform hashcat -m 400 and what else is there? The word list, which is going to be this. We have to provide the file, and there we go. No hash loaded, so it's not working, right? Let's try John hash, and if I provide the word list, enter, will it? It's also drawing the different format. Let's see if this can pull something out. Most probably it won't. But yeah, we have this flag. Let's submit it. Wait, what? Who is messaging? And I was correct. Even John wasn't able to find it. Like if I provided the direct input, will it take that? Like just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's in effect, right? So if I go here and I'll try blocky, this was a page. Nope, this is admin. Blocky HTTP / WP admin. This is the one. And if I try this notch and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 login, it didn't work. The capital N, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 still didn't work with the email address. I'm pretty sure it is not working because of the encryption that it's asking for. And I'm not sure which encryption it's running, because we wasn't able to find that solved. So the other way is if we can somehow make GPT to provide us with something. What encryption is this? Let's see if this can help and how we can crack it or create another one. thinking. Like the fastest search engine is this nowadays. Confirming the hash, cracking and creating. Yeah. PH pass. The last two are solved. But why wasn't... When we use this, why it wasn't able to crack that then? Let's try again then. Hashcat 400 hash, and it says -a 0, enter. It's still not able to load it. Cat hashes. And why the hell is hash is empty? Okay, cat hash. Yo. The append. Oh, I got it. My bad. It's not some sort of argument, it's a string. Now it should work. Okay, I was the idiot. Now if I cat hashes, yeah, it is there. And if I perform the John, it should work this time, right? So let's see. Page pass. Without it. Show me something, boy. Show me something. Afterwards, we will try with -a0. And it wasn't able to get the password. Now we'll try -a0, enter. Still the same error. Save the hash in text file. Yes, we have it there. Cat hashes. But it's not able to crack that. So the other step we can try is create our own hash. Give me a single command to create new hash with similar salt. And stuff. Generating a hash, crafting command. Hmm. Just give me a second. It should be something like this. For example. So what we need here is, let's see up again. So we need required this. I think we can open the PHP interactive shell or something, and for that I think it was PHP hyphen, let's see, hyphen h, run an interactive shell. Yes, it was hyphen a. Let's see, PHP hyphen a, and in here hash password generate PHP password using interactive shell. Generate a random password in the, but we're not creating generate PHP password using string interactive shell. I think this geek for geek can give a good one. No, geek for geek is also an idiot. Password hash and sensitive parameter. Okay, this is a function. We don't want the function. What does it say is the password hash and the parameter we want to change, which can be a string, I think, then comma. There are fields like default password, bcrypt, and some other. There's a bcrypt algorithm. So let's try. It says, I think to read the stuff we have to perform the echo with that, right? Echo password hash in the bracket. We'll give it our string, which can be like box name itself, blocky, VLOCKY, and with the comma we can provide it the default. I think this one should do. And to end it, we need to provide the colon, enter. It didn't give anything. This exception, but we are performing it with echo, right? Where are we making mistake? Oh, there we go. I think because of the previous one it went to perform something else because of this, and I don't know what this did there. And there we go, we got the actual password, like similar to that. We have utilized the same stuff. Okay, we took the example from here. The one we added didn't work. So we Googled it to create our own password. With similar encryption. And we found it here. Now we can replace it with the plain text we have added in PHP my admin. Okay, let's see over here. Replace this. With this, I believe. Now let's try login on the WordPress_admin again. So this time we'll notch, and the password is going to be the blocky, and we are in. Using these slash table username new password. March, and the password is block key. So I hope like whoever is watching has understood like what we did and what we have got, right? Or there's still something missing that I'm not able to make it clear. Okay, no response in the chat. I guess let's perform further action. Now that we are in, let's try edit those files which was giving 500 before. It should be these plugin files, and try get the RCE. So in the plugins, it was in the plugins, right? Let's see. No, it's a theme. It's not a plugin. Using the theme, we can try that. So the theme goes under which appearance? Themes. And we have these. Let's customize. Okay, this one. Not completed yet. It's like we are still performing the RC, utilizing the PHP myadmin, cause we did got the password and we was able to successfully enter into the SSH and FTP over here, if you see. But this is how we got the access over SSH and the FTP, but that always might not be the case. So utilizing the same credentials, we entered into the like PHP myadmin, and over here we tried to like crack these hashes, but it was unsuccessful attempt. Unsuccessful attempt. But then we added like we created our own using interactive shell. We created our own password, or like the salt. You can check over here. Let me see if it's still open. Yeah. So using this function or the code, we created our own salt, and by doing that we replaced this one user pass which was this before, but after or here you can see the previous one, which was default, is same. But after that I added mine, but for some reason it didn't work. Did you try sudo -l when logged in as user not in SSH? Good point. I will try that, and like that's the first thing I always try. But what I'm saying is, not always you'll get the SSH, like the box as access directly using the password. It can be sometime password of the phpMyAdmin. What if it was like only phpMyAdmin password and we couldn't access the SSH and FTP? So I'm just putting SSH and FTP out of my thoughts and directly trying to access the phpMyAdmin, and using that I am trying to get the RC so to get the access. But yeah, I'm sure you are able to understand what I'm saying, right? I hope. If yes, please drop the thumbs up in the chat. This is nope. Okay, it's one of the first thing I try when logged in as SSH to see what params the user has. Yeah, right. But I will be doing that. I'm not saying I'm not doing that. I will be doing that, but right now I'm trying the different approach. If I didn't had the access of like SSH and the what and the FTP. What if I wasn't able to access SSH and FTP using these credentials, and I only had the option to go through via phpMyAdmin? I'm putting that perspective in my mind, and I'm not thinking about SSH and FTP right now, so I'm directly going through with the PHP if I didn't have the access of SSH and FTP, and now I'm trying to get it through via phpMyAdmin and trying to get RC just for demonstration purpose, although we have already got the access. So it's just another way. We have more than 2 ways to get the RC, and we can try access the same box in another way also, if this was disabled on the network SSH and FTP. So we are on the last step. Let's see if where's the code. Self-identify, we don't need that. Menu, we don't need that. Where we can check the code here. SSH. We need the front end code here. Is it there? Nope. Customize theme details. Menu headers, editor. There we go. So if I add PHP like the my PHP over here, the exploit, so we can use this reverse shell, close this, and we can have it's a Linux box, so we can use PHP from here, Pentester Monkey. We can use like any of these. Let's which one should I try? I think all of these should work, right? So when I try to access the first page of the website itself, I should be able to perform this. So let's, instead of this, we'll go with the pentester monkey. We have the same IP address, yes. So let's copy this and paste it here. We can remove this so it can merge with the previous code. And I guess we need to remove this too, so it can merge within the code. Let's copy this. This is the endpoint. Over here we want to the editor. And this is the set we are performing. Over this endpoint. Let's edit the theme and add the PHP RCE exploit / payload and get the reverse connection on our system. Okay, so we have done it. Let's save it and run netcat-lnvp on our local system. It's sh. We can exit from here. Shit, clear. It's gonna be netcat lnvp. Now it's listening. Where is it? The save. Update the file. And next we'll visit the very first page of the website to trigger it, which will be http://blocky.htb. Now it's saved. Our netcat is running. Let's put it side by side so we can say it says execution. And we are on first page. And if I click on it, we should have got the RCE, right? But it seems we have entered in edit mode or something. Nope. That's what I wasn't. That's not what I want. That's not what I want, right? So where have I messed up? And which file? Oh shit, we are editing the wrong file here. Yeah. So let's cut this out. Sorry, my bad. We went into the wrong file. Okay, we edited the wrong file. If you see, it's which file? Style.css. We need to edit .php file. Let's fix that mistake and retry. PHP, let's paste it here. Okay, so let's this file is updated. Now if we check, there should be the, there we go, index file, and it contained the .php in the very beginning, and we paste it, save. Now we have edited the right file. Copy. Oh, copy this. Paste it here. Now let's try netcat. Enter. Search. Go here. Put it here. Refresh. And there we go. Boom. So here we got DRC. Sorry. Clear. This is the one. Refresh it. And we are in. Copy this. Paste it here. And there you go. So I hope this must have helped in some way, the one who is watching. Or is there anything that you didn't understand? Guys, please show something, even if like 1 or 2 guys are watching. Say something, man. It feels weird to sit alone. Oof. So I'll be like living in next 24 minutes or maybe 22 minutes. So let's try and complete this box within this time span. Now let's see, we have both of the access. Let's see if we can perform something here. Sudo -l. The box password is no, it's not this one. This one. Paste. Okay, so user notch may run the following command as block key. So we have the full power here, right? So if we do sudo su enter and we are in. Let's try cat slash root.txt, enter, and we have the last flag 2. SSH. Now that we are in SSH, let's try what file our user can access using sudo and it seems our user has full privilege. Let's get the root flag then. So like this part was pretty short. I usually this one is the longest one, but yeah. Okay, so we have got the root flag. Let's paste it here, add it like this, submit it. We can close all of these, submit it here, and with this we have pawned another box. This is a piece of cake. This one's the easiest one that I have solved so far, although some people might find difficulties here. So let's go to the guide mode and fill this up too. And yes, this is the one. Let's exit. Oh, no, not exit. Now we need to cat slash etc slash shadow. So we can grab both of the passwords. If I ever have to come back to this machine and try to access it quickly, that's my way to it. Well, this is the thing we usually try to do in the Windows box, where we keep the hash, because using the evil WinRAM we can directly enter into the machine. So there we go. We have pawned another one. Okay, now let's answer the stuff that it's asking for. So first question, what is the name of FTP software running on the block key? So the software name is, do we need to provide the version too? Nope, without the version. Pro FTPD. What username is given by enumerating the website? It's a notch. We found it here. Okay, next is what relative path on the web server offer two jar files. Okay, that's a good thing that we didn't look at this on the first place. We did it by ourselves, otherwise it might have spoiled the whole box. We might be using it in the upcoming box like medium level, high level, or insane level, because as you know the name, insane, medium, high, that get complicated sometime. So that time this guided mode will be more helpful. Okay, so we found two files. It was files. Nope. What endpoint was it then? In the plugins. What password was present in there? This. And with this we have finished the guided mode and matrix. Real life applicable, yes, pretty much. Common vulnerability, no, it's not the common, but yes, we can get it one way or another if we can hunt like wholeheartedly. Enumeration was good. Matrix, submit, headline, fun stuff. Has multiple way to reach the end. It's just about player, which approach he/she wanted to try. In all, it's a good box. So there we go. One more down, and let's pull it back. Now we'll add stuff here. Linux, yes, it's a WordPress. WordPress, Minecraft, PHP, my admin, nope, SQL, definitely SQL. What else was there? Privilege escalation was easy. Yes, it's Java, jar. Okay, what else? Tool used. There's a new tool that we use. Yes, this one, JD-GUI. Pretty good tool. WordPress. We exploited that. This was most of the enumeration. PHP hyphen my admin. It looks weird. PHP my admin we exploited. Okay. What else we have did? We performed the PHP my admin, numeration. SQL was there, but not for the most of the part. Java, it wasn't a part of exploits. So we just read the files. I guess this was pretty easy and cozy box. Okay, I guess that's it for this box. We understood one or two concepts. Like, if you have the password, try to run it on every place possible, so you can know if that password is valid somewhere, but it's not valid where you actually wanted to try. So that can be part of the assessment too, because it is all about if you can think out of the box or have a curiosity to look around also. Okay, let's go all the way down. There we go. So we have one more down. Now the next one is frolic. Let's see what this has to say. Linux. Check the box. Easy. Frolics .htb. So with this, I hope you guys have understood like what we have tried to achieve here, right? So I was saying that it's not always that you can just jump on one place and you can get everything like what happened in this box, but you have to try a variety of combinations and you have to think out of the box to reach there. Although it was just by chance that we tried the SSH and FTP, I am not the guy who always go for that. So this was the first time that I actually tried, and yeah, luckily we got the access. So that's it with this box. And Samwise, you asked, is it completed yet? Yes, it is complete. I think you yeah, completed. You were the one who was asking pretty while back. Not a pretty while back, and I think it's 10-15 minutes before. No, it's almost half hour before. Okay, now we need to jump on the next box. Frolic. There we go. Totally hidden box. Okay, so what do you guys say in the chat? Should we try this or start this tomorrow, or should we try it right away? Cause I'll be dropping almost 11 p.m. here. So what do you guys say? I'll go with whatever you say. Just drop it in the chat. If you say tomorrow, we'll start this tomorrow. Right away, I won't be able to proceed further much. Oh, thank you, brother. We'll try it tomorrow then. And Good night to you too. I'm not sure if you're in India or like in some other country. Whatever time it is, enjoy your time. Have a great rest of your day. See you tomorrow, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel, like the video, drop the comment if something is not understandable or you didn't understood. You want me to explain again? I'm all in. So see you tomorrow in the next live. I'll be doing these lives daily, but if I'll be visiting somewhere in the future, maybe near mid-December. Around that time, I might not be able to do the lives, but I'll try my best to do the live around that time too. So see you guys. See you in the tomorrow live. Oh, nice, brother. Namaste, then. Okay. That's it for the day. Over and out. See you in tomorrow live. Bye bye.